In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom themes in Power BI. By the end, you'll know how to take Power BI's current look, turn it into a reusable template, make your own changes, and bring that custom theme back into your report. Start by opening your report and heading to the Home tab. Look for the Themes dropdown and expand it. From here, choose Save Current Theme. This captures the exact colors, fonts, and visual styles currently applied to your report. Power BI themes are simply JSON files, which means they're plain text with a structured format. Saving the file now gives you a clean template you can customize without starting from scratch. Next, locate the theme file you just saved on your computer and open it with a text editor you're comfortable with. Any editor works, but one that highlights JSON can make this easier to read. Inside, you'll see properties like name, data colors, and visual styles. The data colors array controls the default color palette used for charts. You can replace those color codes with your brand colors or a palette that fits your project. You might also see font settings and background options, depending on the version and what the current theme includes. As you edit, keep the JSON structure intact. Use double quotes for keys and values, keep commas only between items, and avoid trailing commas. Small syntax mistakes can prevent Power BI from loading the theme, so make changes carefully. When you're happy with your updates, save the file. Now switch back to Power BI and go to the View tab. Open the Themes dropdown again and select Browse Themes. Navigate to the custom theme file you edited and open it. Power BI will apply your theme across the report, updating colors and styles in one step. If your visuals don't change as expected, double-check that your edits are valid JSON and that the properties you modified match what Power BI recognizes. Often, adjusting the data colors and any clearly labeled style fields is enough to see an immediate difference. And there you go. You've created a custom Power BI theme by exporting the current look, editing it as a JSON template, and importing it back into your report. This approach makes it easy to maintain consistency across multiple reports and quickly adjust branding as your needs evolve. That's all.